Olive Garden chicken and gnocchi soup is my absolute favorite. Let's start with my favorite kitchen shears. They're stainless steel, come apart for easy cleaning, and check out how fast they help you get through cleaning up chicken breast. Now I'm using the Santoku knife to cut my chicken breast into strips and then into bite-sized pieces. This is going to make for a great soup. Now I'm going to set my quick cooker to sear, leave it on 20 minutes, and just press start. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to the inner pot and let that heat up just for a few minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is all it'll take. Now I'm going to set my chicken off to the side, and I'm going to get a fresh cutting board to get started on the carrots. I'm using our vegetable peeler to peel these carrots, and I just love it. It's so smooth, it never snags. And honestly, if I only needed a few strips of this carrot for, say, a garnish on top of a vegetable dip or something like that, then I could just use the vegetable peeler and get the few strips that I need. Like I said, it is so smooth and runs through these carrots so easily. Since I need to shred these into small little shredded pieces though, I'm going to be using the veggie strip maker. So I'm going to get through these carrots and then I'll show you how to use the veggie strip maker. Wow, that was fast. So now my timer on my quick cooker is down to 18 minutes. So I'm going to very carefully add in my chicken, and so I can start to sear that and get a good flavor sear on my chicken. And I'm just going to stir that around so that the oil kind of coats all the chicken pieces. And then I'm going to add in salt and pepper just to taste. I don't really measure salt and pepper much. You can add in whatever you like. You can skip the salt if you like, because we will be adding in chicken broth as well. But for now, in my manual food processor, I'm going to dice very finely the celery and half an onion. Manual food processor does a phenomenal job getting the perfect dice. Its triple blade system is tiered and it is dishwasher safe, stainless steel blades, so that everything chops very evenly. So just add that in. Now here's the veggie strip maker. While the onions and celery and chicken are all kind of cooking and getting soft, the veggies are getting soft, check out this, how fast and easy it is to get small shreds of veggies on this. Kids can use this because it is not a blade. You don't have to worry about them cutting themselves, and they love making a mess. Now I'm just going to turn off my quick cooker since I'm done searing, and I'm going to add in 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon per cup of water into the quick cooker to do my chicken broth. I like to keep chicken bouillon on hand and make my chicken broth as I need it, because then I don't have to worry about it going bad sitting in the refrigerator. So I also do this with beef bouillon as well. You can find it in the same aisle in the grocery store as your prepared chicken broth. Now just add in all those lovely little bits and pieces of carrot that you just shredded with your veggie strip maker. And we're going to let that sit there and put our lid on our quick cooker. And I'm going to just select custom, time, and adjust the time setting all the way down to 5 minutes, because that's all it's going to take for us to have delicious chicken and gnocchi soup. And press start. Now It's all done. I've released the steam manually, taking the lid off and being careful not to let the steam hit you in the face. Just give it a quick stir. And now we are going to add in a handful of spinach. Now this is where having the herb mill would really come in handy, but I don't have that today. So I'm just going to tear up my spinach and add that in. Give it a good stir. Let that spinach kind of wilt naturally on its own for a minute. Now I'm going to add in the delicious potato gnocchi. Give that a stir so that the liquid covers the gnocchi. And then I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of milk, whole milk, and 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream that's been mixed together. So there's 3 cups total, and I'm setting the quick cooker to sear again and pressing start. And this is just to help me bring all of this to a boil so that it gets thick, because we want creamy chicken and gnocchi soup. So I'm going to let that come to a boil in the quick cooker, and then once it comes to a boil, it'll boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you want to turn off your machine and just continue to stir frequently so that nothing sticks in the bottom. And I hope you guys enjoy your chicken and gnocchi soup. If you like this, you can check out more videos on my Facebook page at Quick Cookin' or on my YouTube page, Cookin' with Chaos. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cooking!